Imagine a world where you could create anything you wanted right from the comfort of your home. Welcome to the world of 3D printing. This remarkable technology first emerged in the early 80s, transforming the way we manufacture, innovate, and create. Born from the concept of additive manufacturing, 3D printing allows us to build objects layer by layer from digital designs, giving birth to infinite possibilities. Initially, it was used for rapid prototyping, a quick and cost-effective way to create product models. But the potential of 3D printing was quickly recognized. Industries across the globe began to take note, eyeing its ability to customize, reduce waste, and revolutionize their traditional processes. From a promising technology to a game-changer, 3D printing began its journey to revolutionize the world. As with any disruptive technology, 3D printing didn't transform the world overnight. It took time, constant tinkering, and relentless innovation to bring it to where it is today. The evolution of 3D printing is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. It's a story of how a seemingly impractical and expensive technology found its footing and became an integral part of numerous industries. The early days of 3D printing were marked by slow progress and hefty price tags. It was a technology that promised much but had yet to deliver. However, as with all groundbreaking innovations, it wasn't long before the potential of 3D printing began to unfold. The technology started making significant strides across various sectors. In the healthcare industry, it opened up possibilities for custom hearing aids and dental practices. In manufacturing, it revolutionized the production process by providing an efficient solution for rapid prototyping. Meanwhile, in the construction sector, it showcased its potential for cost savings and sustainability. One notable example is the 3D printed homes project in Accrington. This project, set to be the largest printed building complex in Europe, uses load-bearing printable concrete to create net-zero carbon homes. This innovation offers a glimpse into the potential of 3D printing in addressing housing needs, while promoting environmental sustainability. The 3D printing market has also witnessed exponential growth. From a niche technology, it has grown into a multi-billion-dollar industry. It is projected to nearly triple in size by 2026, reaching a value of $44.5 billion. This growth is a testament to the wide-reaching impact and practical applications of 3D printing. So where does this leave us? It shows us that 3D printing, once considered slow and costly, has now matured into a viable and efficient industry standard. It's a technology that continues to evolve, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and shaping the future in unimaginable ways. From fashion runways to the comfort of our homes, 3D printing is reshaping our world in unimaginable ways. This revolutionary technology has found practical applications in various industries, making significant strides in the way we live and work. Take the healthcare industry, for instance. Custom hearing aids are now being made using 3D printing technology, providing a perfect fit for users. In dentistry, 3D printing has transformed the creation of dental implants, making it possible to produce them on demand, right in the dentist's office. In the footwear industry, 3D printing is changing the game, providing bespoke solutions to every individual's specific needs. By accurately mapping the foot's structure, 3D printed shoes offer unparalleled comfort and fit, and that's not all. The aerospace and automotive industries have also embraced 3D printing with open arms. The ability to create lightweight, complex designs quickly and cost-effectively is a game-changer, enabling these industries to push the boundaries of innovation. But perhaps one of the most impactful applications of 3D printing is in the construction sector. Take, for example, the Accrington project, set to be the largest printed building complex in Europe. This project uses load-bearing printable concrete to create net-zero carbon homes for low-income families and military veterans. It's a shining example of how 3D printing can drive cost savings, sustainability, and efficiency. From its early days, when it was deemed expensive and slow, 3D printing has matured and evolved into a widely implemented industry. It's a testament to human innovation, offering practical solutions and continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With 3D printing, the only limit is our imagination. As we stand on the brink of a new era, 3D printing is poised to redefine our future. The transformative potential of this technology is immense, touching every sector from healthcare to construction, from footwear to aerospace. But with great potential comes great challenges. Increasing awareness, ensuring acceptance, and establishing robust regulation will be key to unlocking the full power of 3D printing. Imagine a future where custom hearing aids, dental implants, and even homes are all made affordable and accessible through 3D printing. This isn't just conjecture. Projects like the 3D printed homes in Accrington are already showcasing the cost savings, sustainability, and efficiency of this technology. However, the road ahead isn't without hurdles. As the technology grows, so too does the need for understanding and acceptance. It's crucial that we navigate the challenges of regulation, ensuring this technology is used responsibly and ethically. The future of 3D printing is not just about creating things, it's about empowering individuals, transforming industries, and redefining the way we live. From its humble beginnings to a multi-billion-dollar industry, 3D printing has truly come a long way. It has transformed from an expensive and slow process to a mature, widely implemented industry covering various sectors. This technology has found practical applications in areas such as custom hearing aids, dentistry, footwear, aerospace, and automotive industries, with the market projected to nearly triple in size by 2026. Notably, construction is a growing sector for 3D printing, with projects like the 3D printed homes in Accrington showcasing the technology's potential for cost savings, sustainability, and efficiency. This technology allows for the creation of physical objects from digital designs through additive manufacturing, providing practical solutions and innovations across various sectors. As we embrace the 3D printing revolution, one thing is clear: the future is here, and it's printed in 3D.